Hi friends, this is Azharuddin Ahmed, industry expert from 9SEM. Today I will discuss type of refrigeration system. Basically, three type of refrigeration system available in HVAC industry. First, DX system. Second, VRF system. Third, chill water system. Now, DX system, that is direct expansion coil system. DX systems directly cools the air supplied to the building because the evaporator is in direct contact with the supply air. Basically, DX system means single indoor unit connected with single outdoor unit, which we are basically seen in our society. Now, basic diagram of DX system. Here you can see the basic schematic diagram of a DX system. DX system can be split type or ductable type as per requirement. The DX system consists the following components or parts, that is indoor unit, outdoor unit, copper pipe connecting between indoor and outdoor unit, drain pipe for water drainage, and power cable and control cable. Now, type of indoor unit of DX system. Here you can see the different type of indoor unit, that is high wall unit, cassette unit, floor standing unit and ductable unit. The high wall unit available in market with specific capacity, that is 1 tier, 1.5 tier and 2 tier. The cassette unit available in market with capacity 2 tier, 3 tier and 4 tier. The floor standing unit capacity available in market 3 tier and 4 tier. Ductable unit capacity available in market 3 tier, 4 tier, 5.5 tier, 8.5 tier, 11 tier and 17 tier. For ductable unit, corded or cordless, both remote is available, which can be used as per requirement. You can see both type of remote control, that is corded and cordless. Now, VRF system. The VRF, that is variable refrigerant flow system, is basically consist of an outdoor unit connected with several indoor units. The system consists with refrigerant piping, that is copper piping, which is connecting between outdoor to all indoors unit by using Refnet joints, that is copper distributor in pipes and communication wiring. The VRF system can function in both mode, that is cooling and heating as per requirement. each indoor unit can be controlled by individual remote controller or central remote controller. Here you can see the basic diagram of VRF system. That is, one outdoor unit connected with several indoor units, and you can see the different type of remote controller. Now, type of indoor unit available in market in VRF system. That is, high wall unit, floor standing unit, ductable unit, cassette unit, fan coil unit, etc. Now, the type of outdoor unit of VRF system. That is, side discharge outdoor unit and top discharge outdoor unit. The capacity of VRF unit expressed by HP. The range of outdoor unit capacity available in market is from 6 HP to 22 HP in single module and up to 44 HP for dual module. Type of remote control used in VRF system. Basically, you can see three type of remote control used in VRF system. First, cordless remote. Second, corded remote. And last, central remote controller. Basically, cordless remote is used for high wall and cassette unit, and corded remote used for ductable unit. Central remote controller is used for controlling all the units from a particular location. Basically, it is used for hotel industry. Thank you very much for watching. We'll come back with another video.